Hey, if you're like me and obsessed with getting that perfect clear sound for your audio, then you know just how important the right microphone is. That is why today we're reviewing the Maono PM500. It's a studio quality microphone priced at just $150. I paired it with the Maonocaster C2, which is an audio interface, and with this combo, it promises professional level audio for those that are on a budget. But the question is, does it really perform as great as it says? Well, since you're tuning in, let us find out together in this video. Okay, how about we kick things off with the unboxing to see what we have. Inside, we got the mic with its sleek all-metal build that feels durable and professional. You got the shock mount, which is great for isolating the mic from any unnecessary vibrations. The pop filter to assist you in smoothing out those plosives like the P's and B sounds. You can take advantage of the adjustable mic stand that is sturdy for your home setup, or something to just take on the go. Last but not least, you're going to need a high quality XLR cable that is thick, durable, and reliable. In all, you're not just getting the microphone here, but a complete package that is perfect for creators who are looking for that all-in-one setup. Next, how about we assemble the microphone and all the accessories? So this process is simple. I'll give you a quick demonstration on how it's done. First, you want to mount the shock mount to the mic stand, or if you have a boom arm, you can use that too. Then attach the mic itself to the shock mount and make sure you screw it in from the bottom to secure the mic in place. Next, you want to clip the pop filter, adjust it to your liking, and you're good to go. To power this bad boy, we're going to need an audio interface. The PM500 is an XLR microphone, so ensure whatever device that you're using has that connectivity option. Here, I'm using the Maonocaster C2 Neo, and when you combine it with the mic, it will pair together perfectly. You want to connect both ends of the XLR cable from the mic to the Maonocaster. Press the 48-volt power button to activate the mic, and if you want, enable direct monitoring if you want live feedback of how you sound. Lastly, adjust the gain to your liking using the intuitive controls, and that's it. Even if you're new to audio gear, this setup is completely plug and play. The Maonocaster C2 handles all the technical aspects, so all you have to do is just focus on creating. The C2 isn't just your ordinary audio interface though. I'm gonna give you some features that I like that makes it stand out. The first is that it works with mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, so even if you don't have a computer setup, you can still use this with your iPad if you want. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, so you can just stream the audio wirelessly. Since it's battery powered and rechargeable, this makes it incredibly portable for creators on the go. That means whether you're at home, recording on location, or just live streaming while traveling, the Maonocaster C2 adapts to all your needs. The portability is such a game changer for creators who want that flexibility. If you're interested in a more in-depth look at the Maonocaster C2 and all its features, let me know in the comments because there is a lot to unpack. I can create a separate video to explore the versatility of the audio interface much further in details. By the way, if you're curious as to how the mic sounds, this entire voiceover was recorded using the microphone. If I was going to provide some feedback based on my experience, I should mention that the clarity is impressive for a mic at this price point. I've noticed that it captures my voice with a crispy warmth in the lows, details in the mids, and then you have that smooth top end that doesn't feel so harsh when it comes to your vocal tones. Background noise is minimal thanks to the cardioid pattern, and the main selling point for me is that I didn't have to use a cloud lifter for a gain booster. It's truly the definition of a plug and play microphone. And if you want, for comparison, I also recorded a sample with my Shure SM7B, which is my everyday microphone. The SM7B is a studio legend that you see pretty much everywhere used by content creators, podcasters, and vocal artists, but man, let me tell you, this thing costs $400. That's almost 3 times the price of the PM500. And with that being said, that's not even including the other necessary attachments like a dedicated audio interface and a cloud lifter. After comparing the two, I personally believe that the Maono PM500 absolutely holds its own. As someone who's been creating content for nearly a decade now, I've used my fair share of microphones from budget options to high-end studio gear. I can confidently say that the Maono PM500 truly is phenomenal. It gives you the fantastic sound quality for a fraction of the cost of a high-end mic like the Shure SM7B. If you are on a budget, this mic is an incredible option to pick up. If you are interested, check out the Maono PM500 using the link in the description below. This video isn't sponsored, but I do have affiliate links to the product, so if you do make a purchase, I will receive a small commission, so thank you so much if you do that. And while you're there, let me know in the comments what kind of microphone are you using right now. Are you happy with how your audio sounds, or are you looking to improve it? With that said, this will conclude my review on a Maono PM500 microphone. I appreciate you all tuning in and supporting the channel, and as always, keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.